Hello there, Matthew Miller, and yes, on this video is actually a DIY project, and what is the DIY project? Is I'm going to be doing some create your own Beeswax Food Wraps. Well, let me show it to you because I actually bought it out at the farmers market. Here it is right here. I want to make sure you can see it on camera. Yeah, I actually bought it out at the farmers market. Here over at the markets, just in a town that's nearby as well. Yeah, in a town nearby, and they happen to have a DIY kit, and well, I decided to buy it. It was like about $30 New Zealand dollars, and that would work out about $20 US. So let's see what's inside it. See, yeah. There it is right there. Just make sure you can see that. Yeah, there it is. Look at that there, and of course you got some cloths that you can actually use here, and yet there they are here, and of course, and there's a little wrap there. Well, I might use that one. It's probably always paid to start small, then you can work on to the bigger ones, and of course there's actually a brush if you choose to melt some wax, or you can use that. So it's awesome, and also here's the Beeswax here. Yeah, that's the Beeswax. Man, it just smells good, those Beeswax. It just absolutely smell good. And of course you have the instructions here, and yeah. Well, I know I can, and I'm only going to read through the parts here. The DIY kit includes 1 bar of signature wax blend, enough to make more than 3 wraps, 3 times the 100% cotton fabrics, means, and it's got 1 tiny, 1 small, and 1 medium, and 1 wooden pastry brush, yeah, 1 pastry brush, and plus, one holding right now, the step-by-step instructions, and I probably will leave it on the description as well. I'm not going to go and read it through, but I'll bring it up on the description, and I might read through it as I go. So, well, as I say, let's get started then. And I might actually use the cheese grater here rather than just melting the wax. I'm just going to use the cheese grater, and got it right here. And of course I got the oven tray here, and this is what I'm going to be using right here. And I've got the baking paper here as well. So this is where I'm going to lay the cotton fabric and grate some Beeswax on there as well. So, well, let's get started. Yeah, and I've got the camera facing down there, and here's my cotton one. This is one I'm going to use here as well, and there's the instructions, and I ain't going to go read through as I go. So, how to make Beeswax wraps. Well, the main one, first grade the Beeswax solution bar, and yeah, or you can choose to melt it on a double boil and brush it onto the fabrics. Well, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use the grater. So I'm going to just grate it onto it instead. So Well, this might take a while, so I'm just going to stop right here and I'll be back. Well, my conclusion, and here's my results here, and yeah, it sort of falls in that door, and sort of finds out it didn't be as bad in that door, and it probably must have, well, let's see, just to see, this is just my first attempt on making my Beeswax Food Wraps, and this is my first time ever doing it, and find out. So it was a good experience, though, yeah. Yeah, but from my point of view, graders, oh man, they are bad ideas to use a grader. Because Beeswax, they just stick to it. They really stick to it, so from my point of view, it's probably best that you just melt the wax and then brush it on here, brush it on like that here on the cotton here, fabrics here, so that's probably the better way to do it. Melting the wax, and then once the wax is melted, you can just brush it on it, and that tends to be the better way of doing it. Rather than just using the grater, trying to grate the wax. Oh, boy, learned that one the hard way. Well, from my point of view, it sort of turned out not too bad, and I know I could do some improvements, and I'm getting you some people who are watching it to rate how did I do. 1 to 10. Yeah, 1 to 10, see how I did, and what could I do to improve my skill of making Beeswax wraps. And this is all I got to really say for now. Matthew Miller, sign off, over and out.